So we have a geometric sequence here. Fifth term is 375. Sixth term is 75. Write down the common ratio of the sequence. So to find the ratio, I just take two terms and I divide them, two consecutive terms, and I divide them. It's the one that's farther down. Not I don't say the larger one that's a higher n value over the one that's a lower n value. So this would be 75 over 375. That'd be the common rate. Now what I'm going to do with my calculator is it's a fraction. So I'm going to do it like this. I don't want a decimal, especially if it's repeating. So it's 1/5. So the r is 1/5. And again, you have to be careful with these because the temptation is always to make the arithmetic sequences positive and to make the rates always bigger than 1. So to do 375 divided by 75. But that's not what's happening. It's 375 and then it actually goes down to 75. So if that says find U1, so UN equals, and I got to look this formula up because I don't remember it and I don't want to get it wrong. So it's U1 Rn minus 1. This problem's not supposed to be it. It's just supposed to be all arithmetic problem. But I'm just going to do it because since it's in here, we'll do it. And probably skip this one when you get to it for now. All right, so the common ratio is equal. So UN equals U1 Rn minus 1. So UN is 375. I don't know U1. All right, so U1, the R is 1/5. And then n minus 1 is 5 because it's the fifth term. So 5 minus 1. And then what I do is I just divide by the 1/5 because it's 5 minus 1. And I don't have to. I can simplify that if I want, but I usually just try to leave it. Okay, and then that's going to be U1 equals. U1 equals. So I go to my calculator. I bring up a fraction. I do 375 over 1/5 to the 5 minus 1. So 234,375. So 234,375. All right. So then it says find this. The sum of the first k terms in a sequence is that. Find the value of k. So again, I'm going to look formula up. I will. This is going to be in your file, even though you're probably not going to do this one. But Sn for a geometric sequence is right here. U1 parenthesis Rn minus 1. So let's do this right here. U1 parenthesis Rn minus 1 over R minus 1. And there's two of them there, but again, we'll get to that. You'll see that very shortly, because that's the next step we do. Over R minus 1. Okay, so I don't know what n is, so this is a calculator question. I got to plug in what I know. So 234,375 parenthesis 1/5 to the n minus 1 over 1/5 minus 1. And I'll put that in the calculator and see when my total hits that 292,000. I'm thinking it's like maybe 2 or 3, but we'll see here. So calculator, y equals, clear that out, bring up the fraction, 234,375 times 1/5 x minus 1. That's a little hard to see. I didn't realize that it would do that. There's not a fraction, there's a fraction in there. It's kind of off the screen, but I was careful and I got it entered in there right. And then I go to the table. All right, and result is going to be something like 0. Okay, so it looks like that is at, what is it, 200, 292,968. 292,968 is right there at 8. So S8292,968. So K equals 8. All right, and if you watch the video, fantastic. We'll do those in the next few sections.